Walmart versus Target, two of the biggest employers in America, and two very different retirement plans. If you work at either one of these companies, what I'm about to show you could be worth thousands of dollars to your future self. Let's start with the most important number, the employer match. This is free money your company puts into your 401k on top of your own contributions. Walmart matches 100% of whatever you put in, up to 6% of your paycheck. Target does the same, but caps it at 5%. So if you earn $50,000 a year, Walmart puts in $3,000. Target puts in $2,500. Round 1 goes to Walmart. Now here's where it gets interesting, and where a lot of people get surprised. Both companies give you that matching money immediately. It's yours from day one. That's actually better than most companies in America, but Walmart also has something called profit-sharing contributions, and that money doesn't vest right away. It vests at 20% per year, starting in year 2. So if you leave Walmart after 3 years, you only keep 40% of that bucket. After 5 years, 80%. You have to stay a full 6 years to get it all. Target has no such cliff. What you earn, you keep. Both plans have a Roth option, great for younger workers who want their money to grow tax-free. But Target goes one step further. It also allows after-tax contributions, and that unlocks a strategy called the Mega Backdoor Roth, which can let high earners shelter tens of thousands of extra dollars per year. Walmart doesn't offer that. Target lets you contribute up to 80% of your paycheck. Walmart stops at 50%. If you want to supercharge your savings, Target gives you a lot more runway. So who actually wins? If you're a long-term Walmart employee who maxes out every year, that extra 1% match does add up. But for most workers, especially anyone who isn't certain they'll stay 6+ years, Target's plan is the better deal. Simpler vesting, more contribution options, more flexibility. The plan is just cleaner. Want to know if your 401k is actually optimized for your situation? Plootus analyzes your specific plan and tells you exactly what to do in plain English. Link is in the bio. And drop your employer in the comments. We'll break down your plan next.